Hey ROQ family, I'm Richard Tilley with ROQ US, and I'm here with another weekly tech tip. This time we're talking about changing the automatic chain lubrication cartridge on your EcoPress. In order to get one of these, you'll have to visit us at ROQ.us and go to the support page and fill out a case and get one shipped to you. Also, you'll need a 4mm Allen key. If you don't have one, one was provided to you in your spare parts box when your press was installed. So first things first, we're going to push in the security bar or power down the press. Then we're going to come down here to this cabinet, and we have two 4mm Allen bolts that we have to remove. We'll open this up and then we'll go ahead and get the old cartridge out. And here is the lubrication cartridge. So before we install this, if you'll notice here on the top of the cartridge, there are numbers on here. Now, when it comes to you, it comes in the lock position so no oil will come out. What you'll want to do is set it to the number 12, meaning 12 months, so that you have 1 year before you have to replace this cartridge. So when you're ready to do that, you'll remove the old cartridge, take this red cap off the bottom, it twists right off, and you'll twist this one right back on. Once that's set, you don't have to worry about it for another year. For more helpful tips like this, visit us at ROQ.us, and thank you for being our partner in print.